Hi, welcome back to Rolling with Riggs. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about some underpassing. I'm down here at Sonoran Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu in Tucson, Arizona. I got Tyler with me as my uke today, as usual. I really like this sequence. I really think it's part of like a fundamental passing, just like a knee slice pass or a back step pass. I feel like this is something you need to know as well for jiu-jitsu. Okay, there's many different ways to do it. These are just some of the ways that I like to do it that work for me the best. Okay, so we'll go ahead. So we're here in guard. However you open the guard doesn't really matter. That's not really what we're talking about today. What we're talking about is the stacking double underpass. So I like to, just do regular log splitter here, knee in the middle, other knee out. I sit here, and now I have their guard open. From here, I'm going to take the same side hand as my knee that went in the middle, and all I'm going to do is make a circle towards the inside, outside. Once I get outside, I don't just sit here, though, with his arm on my forearm and my elbow. I want to get it deep up on my shoulder, so I'm going to drop my level as I bring my arm in here, okay? So now I have Tyler's leg up on my shoulder, keeping him from really going back to the position he wants. Now from here, I don't leave my hand over top. Surprisingly, I'm actually going to bring my hand underneath Tyler, and I'm going to grab his back, okay? Now from here, I need to get my other arm in. All I'm going to do is I'm going to rock to my right side, bringing Tyler's hip down, bringing his left hip up, so I can circle my arm in and get underneath his hip on that side. Here, okay? Now I know a lot of people are worried about like no arm triangles or gi chokes or something like that, but I'm not just hanging out here, okay? Once my hands are underneath Tyler, I'm gonna pull my elbows to my hips as I posture up. See how that stacks Tyler up, bringing his legs over his head? Now from here, I'm not standing up, I'm still low, keeping my chest connected to his hamstrings, okay? From here, I'm gonna step one leg up next to Tyler, so that way he can't fall to this side. I kind of control where he goes. And right now, I'm not trying to break him in half, okay? I'm just trying to keep him uncomfortable so he wants to move out of this position. From here, I'm just going to force him to fall to the free side he has as I keep my grips on him. Boom. From here, I'm going to take my lower hand. I'm going to let go, and I'm going to bring it over top, and I'm going to go in this area between his arm and his leg. I'm going to underhook his arm. Once I'm here, I let go of the hip. I come behind the head, and now I have my side control. Now from our side view, once again, boom, I come in. I just do my nice little log splitter. I'm here, okay? My left knee is forward, so my left arm is going to go under first. I'm going to go under Tyler here. I don't just go part way, though. I'm going to go all the way to get deep, get his leg up on my shoulder. From here, my hand goes under his back, okay? And I grab. I can get a nice little grip here. From here, I'm going to push him to the other side, raising this hip up as I swim underneath. See how I have space here to get my hand underneath? I'm just going to come underneath, get under Tyler. From here, I'm going to pull my elbows into me as I posture up, getting him in the stack position. Notice my chest is down, my chest isn't up, giving him space, my chest is down, keeping his legs from pushing me away. From here, I'm just going to step one leg up. This time I'm going to step up my left leg. That way he can't fall to the left. He has to fall to the right. From here, I'm just going to push him to the right, get him to fall, but I keep my grips. I'm going to take my bottom hand off, and it's going to come in between his leg and his elbow. If there's not much space, I'm just going to swim and get underneath. Once I have that, I can let go, get behind the head, and I have my side control. Okay? Once again, I'm here, come up, knee in the middle, sit back for my open. I'm going to, since my left leg's in front, once again, I'm going to go under with my left arm first. I circle in, under the leg, and I'm going to bring it up onto my shoulder. Notice whenever I do that, I lean into him a little bit, give it a little pressure. From here, my hand is going to go under his back. You see how it's under his hip, not next to it? Keeping my grip. From here, I'm going to push to the other side, getting my other arm under and getting my grip. From here, I pull my elbows to my hips as I posture up, loading Tyler up, keeping my chest down. All right. This time I'm going to step my right leg up. That way Tyler can't fall that way. He falls to this side. Boom. Take my bottom hand off. Get my underhook. Take my hot hand off. Get my overhook. Boom. Now I'm in side control. All right. Now we're going to talk about if we can't get both arms under and we can only get one under. I like to call this the diamond pass because diamonds are made under pressure, right? So we're going to keep the pressure on them. So from here, I still do my break. Boom. I get the guard open. I swim underneath. But from here, Tyler's a really good guy. He knows what's coming. So yeah, he starts to attack this arm. I'm not going to let him just pull it through though. I'm going to get my hands together as a gable grip. And I'm going to pull both of my elbows back. Boom. Notice whenever I do that, I pull Tyler in. Okay? If I don't pull my elbows back, if I leave my inside one in the middle, he can still triangle me from here. And if I leave this one over top, he can grab my arm and start to pull for other stuff from there. Other arm. Yeah. He can start to use that to try to escape as well. So from here, I want to pull in and pull both of my elbows back, pulling Tyler's hips to me. Now from here, I'm going to try to get my head down to his ribs to add a little bit more pressure. And at the same time, since Tyler's leg is on my right shoulder, I'm going to step my right leg up next to Tyler. Okay? I want to get as close to his hip as I can. From here, I'm going to drop my right knee forward like if I'm trying to shoot. So I'm not going to step my leg back and then drop it down. I'm going to drop forward from here. You see how that elevates Tyler? Now from here, I'm just going to grab the back of his pants to add a little bit extra. Tyler doesn't like this. He starts to push out with his legs. I look away from him, shrug it off, and I'm in side control. So I'm here. Boom. I go to put my knee in the middle. I open up. I get my underhook, but Tyler knows what's coming once again. He pulls my arm. Boom. So I get my hands together and I pull in. All right. From here, I'm going to try to get my head to Tyler's ribs as I step up with the same side leg. Once again, it's on the right side, so I step up with my right leg. From here, I'm going to drop my knee down forward, elevating Tyler's hips and putting pressure on him. Like this. Now from here, I can take my hand that's trapped on the inside. If they're still holding my sleeve, I can't do it, obviously. But if my hand's free, I'm going to come back. I'm going to grab the pants here. From here, they don't like it. They try to kick their legs out to push us away. It's fine. We're going to just shrug it by. We come to side control. I do my guard break. Boom. I'm here. I get my underhook. Tyler knows what's happening. Yeah, so he goes to stop me. I pull my hands in. I get both of my elbows back. And I try to get my head down, adding pressure to Tyler. From here, I step up with my right leg as close as I can to him. I'm going to drop my right knee forward, bringing his hips up. Boom. From here, if I can get my other hand free, I'm going to reach back, grab the pants to pull up even more. They don't like that. They try to kick out. We shrug by to side control. This last one comes a little bit from like a classic wrestling sit out. So if you know how to do that, you can do this move. I use this a lot to counter whenever the person tries to make their legs heavy. That way we can't pick them up. You know, they're trying to drop their hips down so they can maybe get their guard back. I'm going to use their movement to my advantage. Okay. So I'm going to do all the same things I did before. Boom. I get underneath. I got both of my arms under here. I go to pick him up, but Tyler drops. Yeah, he drops his legs down and he's really heavy and I can't really pick him up from here. Even though he's not that much bigger than me, I can't really pick him up. All right. From here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to push into Tyler and I'm going to step one leg up. Boom. After my leg steps up, I'm going to plant the other hand right next to their hip. From here, if I have my left hand and my right foot on the mat, my left leg is going to kick through as my right arm throws by. From here, I come to my knees and I have my side control. So once again, we're here on the side. We did a great job of opening the guard up. We got our double unders. We go to pick them up, but they're just heavy. We can't really get them. You can tell my voice, Tyler's getting heavy here. All right. From here, I'm going to push into Tyler. I'm going to come up on one foot. I'm going to come up on my right foot right now. Since my right foot is up, my opposite hand will go down. So my left hand is down right next to Tyler's hip. It's not out far. It's right next to his hip. From here, I'm going to kick through with my left leg as I throw by with my right arm. Come up to my knees for my side control. Boom. Open the guard. I get my double unders. Yep, I go to pick him up. He's heavy. I can't get him. Ugh. Not liking this. That's fine. I'm going to push in. I get up on my right foot. My left hand goes right next to his hip. From here, I'm going to kick through with my left leg as my right arm throws by. Now I'm in side control. All right, thank you for watching today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you liked the video, please like it down below. If you have anything that you want to add on or want to see, or any questions you have about something that we did today, please feel free to comment. I'll get back to it. Other than that, if you have any questions about attending classes at Sonoran, please just visit us at sonoranbjj.com. Have a wonderful week.